Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to find out what is the day of the week. Okay, so we can identify based on the numbers that is given. If it is given between 1 to 7, okay, so let us say 1 is given means we will tell it is Sunday, or 2 is given we will say it is Monday. So similar to that, if 7 is given it will be said that it is a Saturday. Okay, so we'll write down a program to identify based on the number that is given, and we'll see which day of the week that is, right? So let us say a variable, will put it week is equal to let us say 2. So it must give you Monday, right? Because Sunday is 1 and Monday is 2. We are identifying based on the situation that is given. People can identify one as Monday also, so that depends on the question that is given. Okay, so in our question it is very easily identified that it is a Sunday for 1, Monday for 2, like that. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll try to use if statement. Let us say if week is equal to what? 1. So if week is 1, then we'll say it is Sunday. So we'll print out f printf, it is a Sunday. Okay, similar to that we'll print out other statements. Let us say else if week is equal to 2, okay, then we'll print out it is a Monday. Okay, so you can see we can put out it is a Monday. So similar to that, can we put out all these statements with else if statement? Okay, so it is going to be, let us say week 3, then let's say week 4, then let's say week 5, then let's say week 7, 6, then let's say week 7, and then there will be else. Okay, so for 2 it is Monday, for 3 it is going to be Tuesday, and then for 4 it is going to be Wednesday, and then 5 it is going to give us Thursday. Okay, and then 6 it is going to give us Friday. Correct, right? 1 2 3, 3 is Tuesday, 4 5 6 Friday, and then 7 it is going to give us Saturday. Okay, else what we'll do? Else we'll say that whatever the input that is given is wrong. Okay, so we'll just print an statement for else, that wrong input number for the week. So whatever the number that user has given for the input is wrong. So it is complete now. Now this is if statement, so we have to close the if statement by writing a statement end. Okay, so once we run this program, it should give me for 2 it should be Monday, right? So let us run the program, weekdays. Okay, so we write down the program name as weekday, and you can see it is Monday. Let us say we can put 4, and it must give you Wednesday, right? So 4 it is Wednesday. Similar to that, this week we can take input from user. So input enter week number or weekday number. I'll write, that will be more convenient. Week number from 1 to 7. Okay, so user will give an input between 1 to 7, and you have to give an output as days, right? So it is asking weekday number from 1 to 7. Let us say I'll give 6, so it must give Friday. Let us run again, and we'll put week number as 3, and it should give Tuesday. Let us try to put down a number more than 7. So let's say that is 10. So what will happen? It is going to give wrong input number for the week. So this is how we have identified what is the day in the week based on the given number. And if you do have any queries or questions in the comment, like you can put down your questions in the comment box and we shall be able to solve your questions. Thank you.